The decisions we make in our lives form and determine how our life will be in the future. We often think we don't really have many options. There's only a few very important decisions that we focus on, and 80 to 90% of our lives we just run on autopilot. But the truth is, every single second of our life we are making decisions on what we are doing. Right now, in the second you decided to watch this video, you could have had endless other possibilities, but you chose to watch the video. And if you break it down in your life, every single second you're making a decision what to do. When do you wake up? Do you go to work or you don't? Nobody's forcing you to go to work. You decide to have the comfort of a steady paycheck and therefore go to work. You don't even have to live in the country that you're living in right now. Nobody's forcing you. You could just move to a different country. You could live somewhere else where it's maybe cheaper and you wouldn't have to work that much. So if we break our lives down, every single second is a decision. So how do we make the best possible decisions? I'm gonna show you now my system that helps me do simple decisions that you can use in any situation, and it doesn't require any deep analysis. So whenever you come to a point where you have to make a decision, this is the point right here, this is where you are right now, and now you have to make a decision. So either something is bringing you closer towards your goals, or it's actually taking you further away from your goals. So seriously, ask yourself, is this decision right here bringing me closer to my goals, or is it taking me further away from my goals? And the simple trick is, of course, only do the things that are right here, that are bringing you closer and moving you forward, and never do the things that are right here that are actually taking you further away from your goals. Our lives are so short, we are gonna die soon, so there's no time to waste time with anything right here. So an important step is, of course, you need to know what your goals right here are. So these can be health goals, relationship goals, financial goals, anything that you can think of. I don't actually really like the term goal. I would more consider it as direction, perspective, or purpose. Just think of this point right here. What would be a desirable life for you? And also, of course, your decisions are never really just right here or just right here. They can be somewhere in between. So the decisions can be completely spread right here across all of these, all of the scale right here. So just try to make as many decisions as possible right here and never do any of these that are right here. So let me give you a few simple examples. Let's say it's Friday night and you think about, should I go to the gym? Actually, this is a good decision. It's bringing you closer towards your goals. If your goals are, for example, having good health and building muscle. Let's say people invite you to drink some alcohol. You maybe don't even like the people that much. You don't like drinking alcohol because it's bad for your health. So this is a bad decision. You don't do it. Let's say your family invites you to a birthday party or whatever. Your family is important to you. This is a good decision. You will do it. Watching every weekend sport games. Is this bringing you towards your goals? Think about it. If you're a professional player, maybe yes, because you're studying the game and you're learning something that's bringing you closer to your goals. If you're not, maybe you're just wasting your time. You're not even socializing at the same time. You could have also just meet with friends and talk with them and do something much better for your life in that time. So maybe you're not doing that. So I'm sure with this simple system, you can easily boost your decision making. And if you look back, you won't have many regrets and you will have a good feeling of doing the right things. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.